Wow. I keep telling myself I need a haircut, but I don't realize how bad it is until I look at myself in the camera. We're giving away another system. This time it's been beefed up a bit. Not sure the graphics card could be upgraded a bit more. This is just a 5500 XT from ASRock, but elsewhere I think things are pretty solid. So we got a Ryzen 5 3600 and Asus B550 Prime motherboard. The case is a Corsair iQ220T Airflow with RGB fans up front. We got a CV 450 watt power supply, which is plenty for the system, and 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB DDR4, I think 3200 megahertz, so pretty fast. It's kind of the sweet spot for Ryzen. Also storage, just a 500 gig SSD, but it's a good place to start. So whoever doesn't haggle and just says, yeah, this is already competitive enough, I'm willing to buy it, and lives in my area, wants to meet up and attempt to exchange cash for this, will actually receive the system for free. This is actually the system that myself and, actually I didn't even rebuild much of it, my now 1-year-old son did, and you can check that video up somewhere up here if you haven't already. That was a very fun video to make, and I kind of wish that it had gotten a little more traction than it did, because that video was so different and in my opinion very fun. It was just a fun video. Anyway, yeah, this system I told you guys in there would be given away, and so I'm gonna do it the way we did it in the last giveaway video. So we need to make the ad. This time I'm not gonna post it on OfferUp. Instead, I think we're gonna stick to an old school site like Craigslist. Is anyone even buying gaming PCs off Craigslist anymore? We gonna find out. Hold on, what? Still not good enough, huh? Okay, how about we upgrade the graphics card to something a little more interesting. Say a Challenger 5700 XT from ASRock. I think this will do just fine. That'll bring the system to just over $1,000 all in. $1,000 giveaway system. Not bad. And here you go, quick little size comparison. You see the 5700 XT is a beefcake compared to this guy. This one's still fine, but I think $1,000 system is a bit more enticing. So let's get this thing in there, and then let's make the ad. Stay with me. Activating Windows is as simple as hopping on over to SCD Key's VIP site, where you can purchase an OEM Pro key for a little over $10 US. Use a secure payment method like PayPal, receive your key in a matter of seconds, and activate your OS here to remove that annoying watermark. Click the link below to get started and use my offer code GSL for a sweet discount. So let's get this thing in there. By the way, if you're worried at all about the 450 watt power supply in the system, the Ryzen 5 3600 is so efficient that I'm actually still not worried about coming anywhere close to that 450 watt cap under load. I think we'll still remain highly efficient. All right, looking nice. Now, let's go ahead and create the ad and get it published. Now, I set up the ad in a fairly straightforward manner. This is Craigslist, so it's a little old school. We've got Ryzen 5 3600 and RX 5700 XT in the title, which should help it sell faster, especially when they see the price. 800 bucks, I think, is a very, very competitive price there. And then I put gaming PC in the title as well, because that tends to help sell. And then I got a postal code that references somewhere around the Lakeland area. I said for sale is a PC I built a few days ago, and then specs, I list all the computer specs, and then I say system is in excellent shape and includes Windows 10 Pro, price is firm, local pickup only, and then I have a burner number here that people can text if they want to communicate with me. Nice. All right, so let's upload these photos and then we will publish the ad. Should probably get a photo with the system on as well. I always forget to do that. RGB cells, so we're gonna make this our cover photo. So we wanna make this photo right here, our featured image. The order elsewhere, looking pretty good. So click done with images. And this is our ad. I think we're ready to publish. So when I get back with you, hopefully we'll have somebody ready to buy the system for 800 bucks. We'll meet up and we'll give the system away for free instead. Stay tuned. Later. Well, it has been over a week since the original ad was posted. I had one bite, but the sale fell through. And yeah, nothing else after that. For about 4 or 5 days, nobody contacted me from Craigslist about the system. So I decided to move it to OfferUp for the same price, 800 bucks, which again, I think is a really good price for the system. It's about $200 off of what it would cost to build new. And still nothing. So I lowered it again to I think 600 or 650 bucks, and the first day we got somebody who wanted to buy it. Now, I'm not sure if this person knows who I am, knows what I do, but I don't have the feeling he expects he'll be getting this for free, because he's asking me like if I take cash or Venmo or PayPal, like what my payment method, my preferred payment method would be. Always cash. always cash. And so he's bringing up stuff like that, which makes me think that he doesn't see this coming. I'm gonna try to film this from the trunk of the car. I'm gonna have the system in the trunk for him to see, and then hopefully when I reveal everything, he'll be okay with us filming him and filming his reaction. So let's swing on over there and give it away. Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
All right. I just took it out so you could look at it.
What are you selling them for? Do you build them?
Yeah, I just build them and flip them. Yeah, I take small losses usually, but...
Where do you get your parts from normally?
Usually Newegg or Amazon. Yeah, just like everyone else, yeah. Yeah, 5700 XT. Yeah, originally there was a 5500 XT in there, but I figured that wouldn't be as interesting as
Yeah, definitely not.
So
I'll take it.
look okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Actually hold that because it's free.
What?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's what I do. I'm a YouTuber and I build these all the time. And yeah, I made a video a few weeks ago. I kind of did the same thing I did here. And but it was a much cheaper system. So this one's valued more closer to $1,000. Yeah. But yeah, it's free. Actually, are you okay being on video?
Yeah.
Are you cool with that? Okay, it's just filming down. So I'm here with Frank. Frank's being cool. He's letting us film, and we surprised him. So $1,000 system thereabouts, at least in the U.S. And he gets it for free. Yeah. So he really didn't see it coming, right?
No,
you had no.
Not at all. Yeah. I got the money in my pocket.
That's even better. Like I said, he was asking like how he should pay me, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be awkward. So yeah, Frank's being really cool, and he gets that sweet system there for $0.00.
Yeah.
Yeah, Greg Salad. Yeah, GREG. If you type in GREGS, I'm sure it'll come up.
Okay.
But this will probably be on the channel in like a week or two. Okay. So if you want to see yourself there, that'd be cool.
All right.
But
cool.
Awesome. Hey, thanks again, Frank, and safe travels back home, all right?
Yeah, thanks.
All right, thanks, dude. So I think it's safe to say he did not expect that. That was very cool. I always like surprising people. You know, if they kind of know it's coming, especially now this is the second video. Yeah, that's one thing. But when someone doesn't know who I am, doesn't know what I do, and is just super shocked and super appreciative, Frank was a really cool guy. That's the best. So I'm glad for the second time in a row this has worked out. Doesn't mean you should always be lurking and offer up, because I can't do this every week. I would love to, but I just can't. Soon we'll have another one, and it'll actually be, I think, just a graphics card next time. But it's gonna be a pretty expensive graphics card. I think you know where I'm going with this. Pardon the weird lighting, but that was really fun. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Greg. Thanks for giving away a system with me.